Can I show you how to stop chasing remote jobs and start closing remote clients? There's a story about a man drowning in a flood. He's on top of his roof, praying to God to save him. A rowboat comes by. Jump in. I can save you. But he says, no, thank you. I'm praying to God. God will save me. So the rowboat leaves. But then a motorboat comes in. Jump in. I can save you. But again, he says, no thanks, God will save me. I have faith. So the motorboat leaves. Then a helicopter comes and drops a rope. Grab on. I'll lift you to safety. Get to the chopper. But he still says, no thanks. I'm waiting for God. He says, no thanks. I'm waiting for God. So the helicopter operator reluctantly shifts the wheel and flies away. The man drowns. When he gets to heaven, he says, God, why didn't you save me? To which God responds, I sent you a rowboat, a motorboat, and a helicopter. I sent you electricity so you could power a computer. I sent you internet so you know what's coming. So you could reach out to the entire world from your bedroom. I set up recruiting networks to broker employment contracts. I gave you YouTube, TikTok, and AI. I sent you cell phones and solar panels so you'd never be without power when the sun goes down. I even sent you satellites you didn't have to launch. I gave you multiple credit cards with more than enough to cover a $30 course on how to land a $100,000 remote job. But you're still on the rooftop whining about not being able to afford rent. What more do you want? Are you on that rooftop right now, praying for someone to save you while the tools are literally in your hand? Your bed, your phone, your internet connection. These are the tools. These are the same tools used by the elites and top earners to close 6 and 7-figure deals. I call it the Photon Money Engine. But for just $27, you can sponsor your future and learn how to use them as a certified creative producer. 30 days, 500 spots. Scan the QR code, comment Rowboat, and sponsor your own future. Look, the helicopter's here.